Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing tools and assessing the cover type so you don't force parts. Put on gloves, protect fingers from sharp edges. If the cover is screwed, remove screws now with the correct driver. If it's press fit, wedge a flathead carefully at an edge to create a gap. Once done, use pliers to lift slightly and feel for clips. Make sure to stop if resistance spikes, because there may be hidden fasteners or adhesive beneath the cover. You proceed by removing sealant or fasteners while protecting the flange. If adhesive holds the cover, score the sealant in light passes so you don't nick the metal. Once loosened, lift the cover and clear hair with a drain key or pliers. Collect debris in a rag. Make sure to inspect the surrounding flange for corrosion or cracks. This is why you scored the sealant gently, to reveal damage without widening it. If screws are corroded, remove them. You finish by replacing any worn parts and reseating the cover so it sits flush and watertight. Use a small bead of silicone where the flange meets tile if the old seal failed. Make sure to wipe excess before it skins over. Tighten screws snug, avoid over-torquing which can crack the cover. Once installed, run water and watch flow. Check for wobble and leaks. If it still won't come off next time, consider penetrating oil and gentle heat to break adhesive bonds, but proceed carefully to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.